I'm Samara and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy make-ahead breakfasts for back to school. Let's go. For our first make-ahead breakfast to help you get ready for back to school, we're just gonna do a fruit and yogurt parfait. It's super easy and super quick, especially if it's like a Sunday night and you were catching up on a little homework that you missed out on. It's super quick. So all you need to do is get some yogurt, and we have this really cool container, and it even comes with like a spoon that you can put together if you're running late. And then separate compartments. So we're just gonna take our yogurt. And this is non-fat Greek yogurt, but you can use any kind you like. Next, we're gonna put in some fruit. I'm just using strawberries and blueberries today, but you can add any fruit you want. Next, we're gonna add some honey, just because we're using some Greek yogurt today, so it'll just add a little bit of sweetness. And then in our separate compartment, we're going to add some granola. And then that's it. Like I said, super easy. We're just gonna screw on the bottom. And then pop on the lid. And just like that, put it in the fridge the night before, or if you're running late, still super quick. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. For our next make-ahead breakfast, we're gonna be making a berry and banana smoothie. This is another super easy one. You can make it either the morning of or the night before. Maybe put all the ingredients in like a Ziploc bag, throw it in the freezer or the fridge. Because if you do put a smoothie in the fridge and then like leave it in there for a little bit, it does like tend to separate. So yeah, let's get started. So to make our smoothie, we're going to be using half a cup of yogurt, okay, and then half a cup of, today we're using almond milk, but you can use any milk. And then 4 large strawberries and like about a handful of blueberries. And then we're gonna add a banana. Oh, and I just sliced it in the peel. It helps a lot carrying it into the blender, especially if they're a little more ripe. So we're just gonna add. Okay. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of honey, or any sweetener of your choice, or none at all, doesn't matter. It depends on if you like it sweeter or not. And then just a handful of ice cubes. Okay. Now we are ready to blend. Now it's nice and blended, and I love the color. Okay. Alright. So we have this little container that you can take on the go. And then also, I think it came with 2. Yeah, it came with 2 of these. And it just screws onto the bottom, and you can put like fruits, granola, anything for later in the day. So then. So there you have it, our berry banana smoothie. It's super quick and easy and a healthy make-ahead breakfast. You can have it on your way to school or getting your things together in the morning. So yeah, let's see what we have next. For our last recipe, we're going to be making cinnamon bun overnight oats. like the name suggests, you make it overnight. So the oats soak, so you don't need to cook or anything. You just put it in the container and pop it in the fridge, and then in the morning you can either heat it up or eat it cold. So yeah, let's get started. So to make our cinnamon bun overnight oats, we're gonna be adding 2/3 cup of just plain Greek yogurt, or just plain yogurt. Here, we can just scoop it. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of rolled oats. It's important that they're rolled oats and not steel cut, to make sure they're the right consistency. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of raisins, and that's you don't have to have the raisins, but you can if you want to. And then 1 pinch of salt, teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we're gonna add 1 1/3 cup of milk. We're using almond milk, and we're adding it last, just so everything doesn't splash. Last, we're gonna mix just to get rid of any clumps. So next we're gonna seal it, and then you can just pop this in the fridge. It's supposed to be in there for at least 2 hours, but it's preferred to just put it in overnight. That way you can make it ahead, and then it's all ready in the fridge for you just to take out and eat before school or on the way. So that's it. Our 3 different make ahead breakfasts for back to school. Hope you guys have a great back to school season week. I don't know. But yeah, it's coming up really soon. So don't forget to subscribe, and once you do, hit that bell so you get notifications every time I post. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, at Symarah's Kitchen, where you can get notifications when a new episode is coming, and you know, different things throughout the week. So bye. For our last recipe, we're going to be making cinnamon bun.